What's out of your control? There's one thing you will never control as a teacher, no matter how hard you try. You can't control how your students live, how they eat, how they sleep, how they study, their mindset, their habits, their family routine, all completely out of your hands. But here's why I'm saying this, because those things, the ones outside your classroom, affect everything that happens inside it. If they don't eat well or rest enough, their performance crashes. If their mindset is negative, they will invent 1,000 excuses to avoid learning, even if a great teacher like you and amazing materials. If their home routine does include English practice, so real progress becomes almost impossible. And let's be honest, nobody can come to a class once or twice a week and expect miracles. And we teachers, we feel it deeply. When students struggle, we blame ourselves. We feel overwhelmed, frustrated, and even hurt. It hurts a lot. We start believing we are not good enough, that we are doing something wrong. But it's not your fault actually. Your job isn't to control every factor. It is to inspire change within what you can control. To create an atmosphere so engaging that even tired, distracted, or unmotivated students want to learn. That's where gamification, connection, and emotional teaching come in, because they shift what's possible inside your classroom. So next time you feel frustrated, remember, you can't control how your students live, but you can control how they feel when they learn with you. And that's the real power of a great teacher.